boy, it is time to harmonize the solo by accompanying it with the left hand side. You can see the one written with color red and color blue. The ones written with color red are to be played on your left hand side of the keyboard. These are the notes we have on the left hand side of the keyboard. Then the ones written with color blue are to be played on your right hand side of the keyboard. So it goes like this. When you play mi, so, fa, then on the fa you will see color red on top, which is fa. So meaning that you have to play the fa at the same time. Mi, so, fa. So when you get to the fa, it means that you have to play the color red and color blue at the same time. Mi, so, fa. Then the next note, mi, re, do. So when you get to the do, mi, re, do, on the do, as you can see, there is another do on the do, which is color red, meaning that you have to play the color red and color blue at the same time. Color red on your left hand side, then color blue on your right hand side. Mi, re, do, then re, mi. As you can see, then mi, so, fa, mi, re, do. You can see left hand and right hand at the same time. Do, ti, do. So when you get to the do, to play at the same time, just like that. So let's proceed to the next song. La, ti, do, la, do, ti, 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 la, sol, la. So it goes like this. La, ti. So when you get to the do, you play the word, the color red on your left hand side, which is fa, then color green on your right hand side, do. It goes like this. La, ti, do. At the same time, la, then do, ti, ti, ti. As you can see, the first T, you have to play the saw on the first T, that which is color red at the same time. Ti, 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 la, so, la. Then to play the la at the same time, you can as well play it on this other side of the keyboard. La, ti, do, la, do, ti, 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 la, so, la. Just like that. So we are proceeding to the next song. Mi, so, la, mi, so. The same process applicable to all of them. Mi, so, then la. When you get to the last, can see you play fa. La, can see again. Mi, so, la. The color red on the left, you can see it's written on the first la. Mi, so, la, mi, so. Sorry, mi, so. Accompanying it with left hand, which is color red, then mi, so, la, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, mi, do, re, la, ti, do. Then mi, so, la, so, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, do, ti, la, so, mi, do, re, la, ti, do. This mi, so, mi, re, do, re, mi, Thanks for watching.